and then it's just gonna gravity feed through that hole until the bucket's empty. So simple, easy, like cheapest watering system you can do. What is going on, you peeps? How you doing? Listen, today we're out here at the homestead and we got chickens coming. So a few days ago my mom called me up from Illinois and she's like, hey, you want some chickens? I know a guy who's selling them for $5 a bird, and they just started laying like 3 weeks ago. I'm like, okay, sure. I don't got a chicken coop. I don't got, I got some of the stuff that I had from the previous chicken setup we had at the old homestead. So, you know, things like electrical fence, poultry netting, energizer, stuff like that. So I got all that. Only thing is I don't got a chicken coop. So today what we're gonna do, because my parents are coming tonight, and they're coming with 25 birds. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put up a makeshift chicken coop for now. And how we're gonna do it, we're gonna use the stock trailer. All right, so for anyone who needs a quick and easy, dirty way to make a chicken coop, this is the way it's gonna happen. We're gonna use the stock trailer. It's, it's basically a chicken coop. What else do you need? Just a place to keep them safe, right? Out of the elements. And so that's what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make some kind of makeshift nesting boxes out of some 5-gallon buckets. We're gonna put up our poultry netting around the stock trailer and get the water and the food situated and we golden brown. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's head on out. All right, so first things first, we're gonna figure out how our poultry netting is gonna go around the stock trailer. I want it to basically open and close, start and end on this side. So if I need to, and when I want to move this trailer, I can just open it up and roll out. So there's my poultry netting. You can get this stuff basically anywhere. Amazon, eBay. There's a company called Premier One. I don't remember. I think I got this one on eBay, honestly, but I have one from Premier One. Yeah, so that's the first thing. So what I want to do is figure out how it's going to go around, where it's going to go, and then I'm going to get my lawnmower and mow a path. That's what I'm going to do. Mow where I'm going to be putting in the fence. That way I don't have it shorten out and we get as much energy as possible out of that bad boy, because we don't want no coyotes, no foxes, no raccoons, none of that trash coming in. We want them sparked pretty good. So that's what we're gonna do first. Hopefully no mice have made a nest in this, because we had these stored over there kind of by the trees and stuff for a while before we even got the barn up when we bought the property. So hopefully we're good. Hopefully we don't have to do a whole bunch of repair. If we do, I mean, I've got electric fence, poly wire I can repair it with. So let's see, let's unravel it. We're just gonna spread it out kind of randomly for now. Dad. Okay, we just got it all tight. Everything is good. And what I'll do probably in the corners, although it looks pretty good, usually what you can do on the corners if they start to sag is just put down one of those step-in posts and then tie the corner post to it. So then you can kind of pull it back a little bit. So we got it. I think this is going to be plenty of space for now for the chickens to roam around, and yeah, 25 birds coming our way. But now we need to work on the water, the nesting boxes, get some hay up in here, and all that good stuff. So let's do, oh, we got to finish off our energizer. We didn't finish that. So let's get the energizer and put that bad boy in. We'll get a T-post to put in for the ground, because I don't want to put a grounding rod in the ground here. We'll just do the T-post to do that temporarily. So that's that. All right, got this done. Got this one from Premier One a while ago. It's the Solar IntelliShock 30. Yeah, there's my ground. And then I'll plug it in. I'm just letting it sit basically in the sun for now to gather some rays. And for now, then we're gonna go, let's go work on the nesting boxes. Gonna make them out of 5-gallon buckets. And then
the nesting boxes.
We'll get some hay inside the trailer so they don't poop all over the place. Poop on the hay. And that's it. Someone's gonna get whacked in the face. And then we'll keep the bottom. We'll make it like we'll do it like that, and make a thing that's big enough for the chicken to get into.
Yeah, I see.
They can walk in, and we'll put a lid on top for some privacy. You know what I'm saying? All right, so do it a little higher so the eggs don't fall out. Not a science. I'll take the jigsaw.
Is that loud?
Nope.
We call that just a shredder.
Okay. We'll go up and over. There you go. Chickens got themselves a little nesting box. Nothing to it. Boom.
I don't think that's going to give them any privacy.
Well,
He's going to put a lid on top. I know, but
we'll put some hay in here. So there you go.
The nest is going to
just like that.
FYI, this works for nothing. Yeah, that's too big.
Let's put another one in. Why not?
Okay.
That way.
But then the chicken, how would it?
They're gonna squish it down.
The eggs are gonna fall down.
Oh, they'll squish it down. Now, one thing I want to show you guys: don't spend your money on fancy chicken watering things. Okay, the best thing you can do is get a 5-gallon bucket and recreate your own. Gravity fed, man. All you gotta do is have a 5-gallon bucket, a lid, and a feeding thing. Can you go get that?
Yeah.
Just like a pan, feeding fit pan. This one's rubber. Last one I had was galvanized metal. I think it was galvanized, I don't know. But around one like that, not too deep. I mean, this 5 inches or so deep. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna drill a hole somewhere, basically where you want the water line to be.
It's 4.5, Dad.
It's 4.5? Oh, is it? Okay. Where you want the water line to be in this thing, okay? Because you're gonna put it upside down in here, and the water's gonna trickle out until the water gets to that line, gets to that hole, and then it's just gonna gravity feed through that hole until the bucket's empty. So simple, easy, like cheapest watering system you can do. And another thing too, in the winter time, instead of having it freeze, I don't think I have it right now, it's over there, but basically it's a bird bath heater that you can plug in, and you can stick it right inside the watering thing, because those are meant to be submerged. So simple. That's what's up. So let me show you how that's done. Okay, so we're gonna drill a hole. Usually like to do it somewhere, 2 inches or so, and kind of where the handle is too, because then it's easier to just, I don't know, it's just easier to handle that way. Yeah, you're all dirty. That stuff flings at your face, girl.
It did.
Yeah. So. I don't know what size this is, maybe 1/4 inch. No, maybe, I don't know, 1/2 inch. What is it? What is it? What is it? 3/8. All right, we're 3/8, right in between. All right, so you put yourself a little hole in there. Okay, and then you find a lid that's nice and works. All right, and that's it. You fill this bad boy up with water. Put your lid on. Can I see that thing? Okay. Make sure your lid is on, like on. Okay. All right. You fill it up. Then you got this thing. Okay. And what you do, once it's full of water, you just take it like this and you dump it in there and you just let it be. And then it will start to come out of that hole until the water line reaches that hole, and then they'll have water, and they'll drink that water, and new water from the bucket will gravity feed down in. Simple and easy. Typically what I'll do is I'll elevate this off the ground, you know, like on a cinder block or something, so that way they're not scratching stuff and making the water dirty. I'll put that off the ground like that a little bit, maybe a half a foot or so, maybe a foot off the ground, and then that, because they can reach their necks in there and drink, no problem. Easiest watering system you can do. Easy.
Yeah.
There's 25 in here?
Yeah.
Doesn't seem.
Yeah, altogether 13 itself.
Come on out.
Wait.
Huh?
Ooh. Chicken. Sorry, Dad. This. Chicken's back. Can I help with that?
No. All right, and that's how you make a makeshift chicken coop. So
This doesn't really smell.
when you got chickens coming and you got no chicken coop, it's what you do. So anyway, y'all take it easy. Till next time.